All right, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And you might be wondering, maybe you're not even wondering. Let me stop right here. This is going to be a quick video about the best feature of this phone right here. Y'all see what this phone is? This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And no, I'm not talking about the camera. That's not the best feature. No, I'm not talking about the shape. That's not the best feature. No, I'm not talking about the actual features. That's not the best feature. I'm not talking about any of that. I am simply talking about the one thing that so many people overlook every single day until it hits them right in the face, and then they're asking people, hey, can I borrow your charger? Hey, can I use some of your wireless juice? Hey, my phone's about to die, man. Hey, honey, I'm on my way home, but my phone's at 3%. Hopefully I make it. If you don't hear from me or see me, it's because I didn't make it. Guys, I'm being very serious right here. With all of this technology that we have in a phone, with all of these specs, with all of the functionality, the cameras, all those things, all these phone manufacturers forget to do the basics. Battery life. What good is having a great device? What good is having all this technology? What good is having all this functionality and features if you can't last a full day? The iPhone 11 Pro Max does that, guys. Does that. So right now I'm at 79%. Do you guys see that? 79%. 79%. I've been up since 5 in the morning. It is now 5:50 p.m. So it's been a full 12 hours. And let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about, because I took some screenshots and I just had to talk to you guys about this. There's tons of videos out there that show you battery life tests where they sit there and they run videos in loops, in games, in loops. Those are all great indicators. True, full day. Here's my experience. Here's how I use my phone. This is what I do with it, and I'm going to show it to you guys. At 5:08 in the morning. Do you guys see that? I'm not making that up. 5:08 in the morning shows it right there. That's my graph. You can see where it's charging, and you can see where I've used my phone. I am now at, like I said, 79%. I've used, in the past, I don't know, since 5:08 in the morning. Let's see what I've done. Chrome, Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, Fitbit, Twitter, Instagram. I have basically used my phone for a grand total of 2 hours and 43 minutes. I was looking at it because, see, the confusion is when they show you the last 24 hours and then how much screen time I've used in the last 24 hours. But I've used my phone just today alone since 5:08 in the morning for 2 hours and 43 minutes of screen on time. This phone is not going to get charged today. This phone's going to go to bed just whatever it is. I'm going to go to work tomorrow, and I'm going to come home with it at maybe 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on what I do tomorrow. Let me show you guys, because I'm not lying, screenshots. That Saturday, after unplugging the 6 hours and 16 minutes of screen on time, you guys can see that down there at the bottom. And then the next day I used it for 4 hours and change. You guys can see that there at the bottom. So you guys do the math, and that's obviously over 10 hours. Now, of course, a lot of that is background as well. But the point I'm trying to make here, guys, is that this phone lasts a true full day and some. If you're a heavy user, it's not going to die on you during the day. I take footage on my phone. I shoot more video than I do photos, but I am using my phone for that. I am using my phone for communications. I am FaceTiming on my phone. I am doing all of those things. And the battery just goes and goes and goes. And I have noticed, I'm going to give it to Apple, it's no OnePlus fast charge, turbocharge, whatever they want to call it, warp charging. It's no Huawei, super fast charging. But it is fast, because now when I plug in my phone and go take a shower or something like that, I actually fully expect the battery to have a significant increase in its in the battery life that I just been charging up. And that makes all the difference. So yes, I understand that the triple camera setup back here is wonderful. It is. It's beautiful. I understand that the phone itself looks good, premium, whatever the case may be. But to me, if you followed my videos and if you followed the way I review things for quite a while now, you know what I'm talking about. Battery life matters, because if battery life sucks, then I'm not going to enjoy the phone, because the last thing I want is range anxiety. The last thing I want is for my phone to die on me while I'm using it and enjoying it. And that I don't want to carry a battery pack with me. I don't want to carry another thing. And I don't have to want to think about charging it in. I look at my girlfriend's phone all the time, and she uses a Note 9, and that thing is always dead right before we get home. Granted, she's always on her phone, but I'm actually going to have her use this iPhone to see if she can actually kill it in her normal day-to-day use, and I highly doubt that's going to be the case. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. What's your favorite feature of the iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max, or even 11? Also, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you really like the video, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. I got some more electric bike videos. I got some more reviews on the 11 Pro Max, comparisons with the Note 10, and some other things coming down the pipeline as well. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, and like always, stay geeky.